Hello students, a very grand welcome to all of you on your favorite NEET informative channel Medcoving. You know, KGMC is one of the most favorite college for NEET aspirants in Uttar Pradesh, and this is the oldest college in UP. KGMC means King George Medical College, which is now King George Medical University. What are the total numbers of seats available in KGMC and what was the cutoff in 2018 and 19? What is the minimum mark or the minimum rank you must have to secure in 2020 to get admission in MBBS course in King George Medical College? You please stay tuned with Medcoving. Okay students, now you are in my laptop screen and step by step we will discuss about the different aspect of King George Medical College, the total available seats, the type of reservation, the fee structure, the bond structure, as well as the cutoff of 2018, 2019, as well as what would be the expected cutoff in 2020. We will discuss all these things. So talking about the total number of seats, then there are total 250 seats are there in King George Medical College, Lucknow, and this data has been taken from mccindia.org website, which is the official website of Medical Council of India. If you people need any information regarding the seats of any college, then you have to visit on this website only, that is mcindia.org. Now talking about the fee structure of King George Medical College, then for MBBS the annual fees is 54,600 rupees. There is a facility of hostel in the campus, and the hostel facility is available for male and female, and the monthly hostel due is 2,400 rupees per month. Now, if you talk about any bond condition, is there any bond condition in KGMC? Then of course there is a bond condition, and the bond condition is of serving the government for a period of 2 years, means there is a service bond in King George Medical College, and the bond condition is explained in this slide. That is, for MBBS the bond duration is 2 years and the bond amount is 10 lakh rupees, means after completion of MBBS you have to serve the government in pre-decided hospital or college decided by government of UP. You have to serve there as a doctor for a period of 2 years, and if you fail to serve that bond, then you have to pay 10 lakh rupees, as well as if you do not pay 10 lakh rupees, then the certificate with that will be not be released by the UP government. It means you will not get your degree after completion of MBBS. Now students, coming to the cutoff rank, then this is a list of 2018, and in 2018 the All India quota for general category, the opening rank it was 217. This is All India rank, okay, and the closing rank for All India quota for general category it was 893, and for All India state quota it was 1902, and for All India state quota it was 1186. This was the All India cutoff list. Now talking about the state quota, in 2018 for All India state quota, here is the list, and when we shortlist this data for All India for state quota, we get this result, and in this the opening rank it was 495 for state students, means this is the list of state quota that has been allotted in 2018, okay, and this official information has been taken from UPDGME site. For category wise you have to shortlist the data here, and when you click for general category only, then for general open, and there is a different category for general ex-servicemen, general freedom fighter, general girls, general NC candidate. So let's check about the general open candidate for state quota. Then in 2018 the opening rank it was 579, and the closing rank for general open category it was 2318, means in 2018 if your rank, any student his or her rank were between 1 to 2318, it means he or she was eligible to take admission in King George Medical College, okay. This is the list of 2018. I am sharing this list with you guys so you can easily find out the ranking criteria for 2018 for different categories, either it is general girls or general freedom fighter or general PH category. Apart from that, the list of OBC and SC is also given here. So I am sharing this so that you can have an idea, And now we will discuss about the All India cutoff of 2019. So students, here is the list of the first round counseling of 2019 for All India quota, and this information is obtained from MCSE website, that is Medical Counseling Committee. And if you want to check the same, then you can visit MCSE website. Then how to check these data I have already explained in my video, so you can go through the previous videos also. Now talking about MBBS in King George Medical College, for general open category it was 88 rank, which was opening rank. Of course it's a very high rank, and the closing rank was 496. This is for general category in 2019. Now talking about the other category, when we talk about suppose OBC, then for OBC candidate the opening was 320 and the closing was 330. The opening rank for SC it was 896. This is the All India rank I am talking about, and the closing rank was 4484. And for ST the closing rank was 6503. Opening was 5804, and this is the All India rank. So student, this is the list of All India quota. I am again sharing this document with you also. You can find this Excel on the description of this video, so that you can have a reference of 2019. And this was the round of first round allotment. Okay, now talking about the second round allotment, the general open rank it was 908. In first round of counseling, the last rank for general was 4096, and in second round of counseling the last rank it was 908. Okay, so and this is the first fresh allotted for second round of counseling. Now students, talking about the OBC, SC and ST categories, in second round for OBC the closing rank was 875. For SC candidate the closing rank was 17,853, and for ST candidate the closing rank was 17,428. Okay, so this was the list of second round counseling, means, and in after second round counseling all the seats in KGMC through All India quota was fulfilled. Now students, talking about the state quota and the cutoff for 2019 for different category, for unreserved as well as the marks versus range category. Then for King George Medical College in 2019 the state cutoff is given here, and this is highlighted in yellow, so you can easily understand the things. For unreserved in KGMC the last rank it was 1912, and the score was 637. And for in unreserved category this EWS is taken, so the score is not given here in EWS category. For OBC the minimum marks that were required for MBBS in KGMC it was 629, and the rank was 2839, and this is the state quota rank. Okay, and for SC category it was 34,051, and the score required it was 528, and for ST the score required 362, and the rank was 1,70,862 for state quota seat, that is 85% of state counseling for MBBS in KGMC. I am sharing this document with you also, so that you can have a reference. It means that if you belong to unreserved category, means you are in general category, then in 2020 if your dream is to get admission in MBBS KGMC, it means you have to score more than 625 or 30, because this time the seats is increased obviously, as well as the AMC is also merged with NEET, so there is a chance that the cutoff score will be go down, but you have to score more than 25 or 30 so that you can get MBBS in KGMC for unreserved. And if you belongs to OBC category, then approximately 600 or 15 you have to score, and if you score more than 615, definitely your admission will be done in KGMC Lucknow. And for SC and ST category, just down the marks by 10 or 5 or 10 marks down. So for ST candidates it will be around 360, and for SC candidate it will be around 520 marks out of 720 for NEET 2020, right? So this was an idea about the cutoff score of different category, as well as the fee structure and the bond condition of KGMC Lucknow. And in next video friends, we will discuss about the All India quota of general category, cutoff for All India quota for all the colleges in all over India. Okay, so stay tuned with Medcovering.
So guys, how was this video? If you like it, share this content with your friends. Do subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2020-2021. Thank you for watching Medcovering. Thanks a lot.